Hey guys, so we're out here today at the wonderful and beautiful Fremont Skate Park. And today I'm going to teach you how to ollie a 5-stair. So ollieing a 5-stair is actually a lot easier than you would think. That's the first thing I want to get through to you guys. You think, I can't ollie that good, I can't this, I can't that, and all of these reasons and excuses for you to not do the 5-stair are going to come into your mind. But actually, if you just shove all of those things aside, if you have riding down well, you can ollie pretty good, you could ollie over an obstacle. We've pretty much done every single different little gradient up to this. Ollie while moving, ollie over something, you could ollie down a 5-stair. It's just getting you over the mental block that you're gonna go through in jumping down these stairs. Because it's a little more scary. You're definitely jumping from here all the way down to there. And if you fall, yeah, it's gonna hurt. So I do suggest building your way up. So 1 stair, 2 stair, 3 stair, 4 stair, 5 stair, etc. Or you can just get crazy and ollie off a curb and then ollie down the 5. Either way you can do it, but really it's just getting through that mental barrier. I think that when you build your way up, 1 stair, 2 stair, 3 stair, 4 stair, 5 stair, the biggest thing you're doing there is getting over the mental barrier. Because you can think, well, I can ollie a 4 stair, it's really just 1 more stair. It's really just a few more inches, then I can do the 5-stair. Another big point to this is it's gonna be speed, a lot of speed. I think the scariest thing for people sometimes in doing these tricks is how fast you do have to go. Because you do have to go fast enough to where you're going to ollie and clear the set. Because if you don't clear the set, then you're gonna land here and you're in trouble. So really just have your ollies down, get a really good amount of speed. Watch the front of the stairs with your eyes, because that's one very important thing. You don't want to be so like fixed in what you're doing that you miss getting a good point of your pop. So you want to watch the front of the stairs, ride up to it, pop your board right at the exact correct place, and then just ollie up into the air and watch your landing spot where you're going to land, and then just put your feet down. One big point of advice that I'm going to give you guys is if you go to a set of stairs and you look at it and then you walk back and then you come forward and look at it and you walk back and you come forward and look at it and you think about it and you wonder and you think about all of the things that are going to go wrong, it's going to be really hard for you to do it. So commit, go fast, and don't overly think it. I think my biggest point of advice is don't overly think it. When we were teaching Gabe the 5-stair, and even when Lance was doing the 5-stair, they were trying to figure it out in their head, and it's just like, you have to go to those set of stairs and jump, and then you'll be able to do it. So to recap, you're gonna go at the set of stairs with a good amount of speed. You're gonna watch with your eyes at the front of the stairs, and as you approach it, you're gonna pop your tail, drag your front foot up, just regular ollie, extend your front foot out, and bring your board up into the air, and then spot your landing, and then bring your knees down, land, compress your knees, and roll away. You got it. I know you got it. Don't be scared. You guys can ollie a 5-stair. Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.